Nature speaks, not in words, but in rhythm, harmony, and timeless beauty. In 1723, Antonio Vivaldi captured the voice of the earth in 4 breathtaking movements, known today as the 4 seasons. Let us take you on a journey, where sound becomes season and every note paints a story. Spring awakens. Birds sing, streams rush, and flowers bloom in a vibrant symphony. Vivaldi's spring dances with joy, a celebration of new beginnings. Then comes summer, fierce and fiery. Thunder rumbles in the distance, and the heat simmers like rising tension. The calm gives way to a storm, and the storm becomes art. Autumn arrives, the harvest, the hunt, the final feast before the frost. Vivaldi paints the turning leaves, the rustic dances, and the peaceful slumber to come. And then, winter, cold, sharp, yet strangely beautiful. A frozen world where every snowflake is a silent note. Vivaldi's winter is stillness, struggle, and serene reflection. In just 4 concertos, Vivaldi gave us an eternal reminder that the earth, like music, moves in cycles. And beauty is always in season. Subscribe to experience more timeless music, emotional journeys, and cinematic storytelling right here on Top 5 Vibes.